TikTok, Macau food stock. I take Hey, what's up, guys? So what's on the menu today? A Macau specialty, of course.嚤囉雞扒飯. Before we go there, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's go. Look at the sauce. Ham and that chicken. Woo! With the chicken, the sauce, the rice, this is the bomb. The sauce itself is a bit spicy, but even if you can't eat spicy stuff, you'll be fine.
All done. So cool.
Woo! Hunger satisfied. Taste satisfied. My wallet also satisfied. It was only 45 mop. So when you guys come visit Macau, you gotta try out the specialty food, the Macau exclusive foods. Alright? See you next time. Peace.